Today, I'll show you how to send money on PayPal for free. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign into your PayPal account using your email or mobile number and password. Now, before sending money, there is one important thing to understand. Sending money for free on PayPal usually depends on three things: the payment type, the funding source, and whether the transfer is domestic or international. PayPal says it is free to send money domestically to friends and family when you use your PayPal balance or linked bank account. But if you use a debit card or credit card, a fee can apply. International transfers can also have fees. Once you are signed in, tap Send or Send and Request. Enter the recipient's email address, mobile number, name, or PayPal username. Make sure the details are correct before continuing. Now enter the amount you want to send. Choose the correct currency if PayPal asks. You can also add a short note like dinner, rent share, or gift. Next, PayPal may ask you to choose the payment type. To send money to someone you know personally, choose friends and family, or sending to a friend, if that option is available in your country. PayPal explains that this option is for personal payments, like gifts, shared bills, or everyday transfers between people you know. Now choose your payment method. To avoid fees, select your PayPal balance or a linked bank account if PayPal shows it is free. Avoid choosing a debit card or credit card if your goal is to send money without a fee, because card-funded personal payments may include a charge. Before sending, review the confirmation screen carefully. Check the recipient, amount, payment type, funding source, and any fee shown by PayPal. If the fee says zero, you can continue. Tap Send, Send Payment Now, or the final confirmation button. Also remember, do not use friends and family when buying products or services from strangers. Personal payments are not covered by PayPal purchase protection. So, to keep it simple, use friends and family, send domestically, pay with your PayPal balance or bank account, and always check the fee before confirming. And that's how you send money on PayPal for free. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.